Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Muscle cars are often associated with loud engines and big personalities, but as electric vehicles gain traction, many are wondering if this iconic era is coming to an end. Well, we've got some news that's about to change the game. In recent years, we've seen a resurgence of classic muscle car values, with V8-powered beasts like the Challenger Scat Pack and Mustang GT selling for hundreds of thousands of dollars at auction houses like Bring a Trailer. This has led some to ask, are muscle cars finally dead? Not so fast, says our host. At first glance, it's hard not to miss the rumble of a naturally aspirated V8. But let me tell you, electric performance cars have some tricks up their sleeves. I recently had the chance to get behind the wheel of a Tesla Model S Plaid, and let me tell you, that instant torque is wild. It's not exactly the same sound, but the rush is very real. But here's the thing. These EVs are starting to mimic the visceral feel we used to associate with gas-powered brutes. Take the Dodge Charger Daytona EV, for example. It may not have a rumble like its V8 counterpart, but when you floor it, it's basically indistinguishable from driving a Hellcat. In fact, drag strips have never been more packed than they are now, thanks in part to electric monsters like Teslas and Rivians. These cars are dominating the quarter-mile times on YouTube, and it's not just the old guard young enthusiasts are getting in on the action too. So, what's driving this new wave of muscle car culture? It's not just about raw power anymore. It's about attitude, style, and a DIY spirit that's still very much alive. Brands like Dodge and Ford are even leaning into this legacy, calling their electric offerings muscle cars despite the obvious changes. As for classic car enthusiasts, they're treating V8-powered beasts like hotcakes. Prices for these iconic cars have skyrocketed in recent years, with some rare models selling for over $500,000. It's clear that there's still demand for these cars, and collectors are starting to view them as the next big thing. So, is the classic muscle car era finally coming to an end? Not on our watch. The V8 market is hot, and these iconic cars are going to remain coveted possessions for years to come. And if you're lucky enough to own one of these beasts, hold on to it. That rumble might become a sound of the past. What do you think, folks? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below, and join the conversation on our ElectroDrive News social channels using the hashtag ElectroDriveNews.